Ngashi National People's Party NPP Manipur State Unit na Sinduna Consultative Meeting cum Induction Program ama PANGTHOKKHRE Thoramadu da sarugya kiba Junghimlam na fongdokkibada ngalingai matamdagi hauna jingmi tami amatani haina duna laklabasu jingmi tami haina khaidokpa asina tokhaina uhale masigi mot magi lamgi fazaraba maming singbu sejenaduna jingmi tami haina khaidokliba asi toklasi dharma haibasi subnagi mioi amabu saktakpa khaktane maru iribani aikoi pumba manipuri ne haiba wafum asini haina fongdokhi Amaronga tongan district singdagi lakpa miyoi chani amana party asida yarokhibaga loinana taramna okhiba thoram aduda NPP gi National Vice President Irengbam Himochandrana hai lining amadi furuk ki khenaba thamdana talent labor miyoi khaktana Manipur semgat pasi NPP na pami Manipur gi damak hingba North East punsina duna apunbagi saktam sagatpa ngamdaba asi NPP khaktani party asina miyam gi apamba thakta kumthaduna Miyamgi rights ki damakta lanthing naduna miyamgi kholawbu hena khonjin kangkhat hanba ngamgani isamaksu National Party ki mihut oiram labani adubu achoba platform aduda ekhoi gi North East ki voice asi tahan badi ngamde regional party nadi ekhoi bu India gi sakhang biba ngamgani hainasu mahakna fongdokhi
We are into a in a state of deep churn. I mean, you know that we have had this crisis for almost 3 years and popular government has been restored. Things are getting back to some kind of normalcy, but the political process, I think, to my mind, is still going on. And I think it is time for us to seriously ponder and think what is the political future of our state and for the entire Northeast. As we have said repeatedly, for example, in my own case, I have come from a big national party to join the NPP. You have seen very senior leaders from the BJP who are from our neighboring state who have joined the party. So I think it is coming together of, I think, like-minded people who actually feel very strongly for the Northeast, who actually feel very strongly for this identity of Manipur. We are, as I said, we are with everybody. We are with everybody who stand for our state, who stand for the unity, who stand for the development of the Northeast, who stand for the for our rights. So I think as of now, the NPP has got a very strong, unique identity of its own. And of course, we will be fighting the elections as and when it comes. And as of now, I think the political strategy, the political roadmap, I think all that will come with time. But definitely, yes, we will be contesting the elections on our own, I think, identity, on our own platform. But yes, I mean, going together with any political party, with being with a political dispensation, that will be determined by the political reality. That will be determined by when the time comes for these decisions to make. But as of now, to my mind, what is most important is to have this reconstruction, restructuring, and the whole idea about experimenting with a party which is from our own soil. Because I think this experiment with national parties, it could be the BJP, it could be the Congress, it could be, we somehow feel that our voice is getting lost somewhere. No ill feeling towards any political, big political parties, but what we feel is that in that, process of being in a big political, in a national party, somehow our voices are, getting diluted somewhere down the line. So what we feel is that NPP, National People's Party, will probably will be able to, I think, deliver this in trying to make the resonance even louder and to bring this I think you can say in all fields, whatever has been left out, we believe that if this movement continues and if the support of the people, which I think you have seen very overwhelmingly today, beyond expectations, I think this will happen, and this will happen in quick time. This will happen in you will be able to see it in real time, and I'm sure that only good will come out of this movement.